Want to generate your first $100K without hiring a single employee? Most people use AI to write a few emails. That's a waste of the technology. The real money is in autonomous engines. I'm talking about a system that finds your ideal B2B clients, qualifies them based on real-time data, and books the meeting on your calendar while you sleep. We've officially entered the era of AI agents. By leveraging the OpenAI Assistant's API and Make.com, I've built systems that replace entire SDR teams. No more manual prospecting. No more $5,000 monthly payrolls for VAs who miss leads. Today, I'm giving you the exact 5-step blueprint to build your own zero-employee lead gen engine. We'll cover the exact prompts, the API connections, and the logic gates you need to scale to 100K and beyond using the most powerful AI tools of 2026. If you're a solopreneur or agency owner looking to scale without the overhead, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Most solopreneurs are trapped in the growth paradox. You want more clients to hit that $100K mark, but getting them takes time you simply don't have. So you do it manually. Cold DMs, manual LinkedIn searches, copy-pasting the same boring template over and over. It's a grind. It's soul-crushing. And honestly, it doesn't work anymore. The alternative: hiring a virtual assistant. But then you're not a founder anymore. You're a manager. You spend your day correcting typos and chasing deadlines instead of refining your offer. And let's be real about the automation tools you've already tried. Most of them are just glorified email blasters. They send generic messages that get marked as spam instantly. They lack nuance. They lack intelligence. You're stuck between two bad options. Spend 10 hours a day prospecting manually, or pay someone else to do it poorly. This is the bottleneck killing your scale. You have the skill. You have the offer. But your lead gen is a manual leak in your bucket. What if you could remove the human element entirely? Not with a bot that sounds like a robot, but with an intelligent engine that thinks, researches, and engages for you. Most people think scaling to 100K requires a team of VAs and a massive payroll. They're wrong. In 2026, the most profitable businesses are zero-employee engines. You don't need a headcount. You need a workflow. We're building a lead gen machine that finds, researches, and contacts your ideal clients while you sleep. Here are the 5 steps. Step 1, the data source. You can't automate garbage. Use a high-signal database like Apollo or LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Filter for your Dream 100, the clients who can actually afford your high-ticket offer. Export these to a Google Sheet or a CRM. This is your raw fuel. Step 2, the brain. Forget basic ChatGPT prompts. We're using the OpenAI Assistant's API. Why? Because assistants have memory and specific instructions. We program the assistant to act as a world-class researcher. Its only job is to take a URL, scrape the landing page, and find a hook that proves you've done your homework. Step 3, the glue. Now we use Make.com to connect everything. The trigger is simple. When a new row is added to my Google Sheet, Make.com grabs the lead's website, sends it to your OpenAI assistant, and waits for the analysis. This is where the zero-employee magic happens. No manual copying and pasting. Step 4, hyper-personalization. This is where you win. The assistant doesn't just summarize. It writes a personalized opening line. Instead of "I saw your website," it says, "I noticed your recent expansion into the EMEA market and the challenge of scaling your ops." This increases your open and response rates by 3x because it looks human. Step 5, the delivery. Finally, Make.com pushes that personalized line and the lead's email into an automated sending tool like Instantly AI. Your lead enters the sheet, the AI researches them, the script is written, and the email is sent. Total human effort, 0. You've just replaced a full-time SDR with a $20 a month subscription and a few API credits. To get this engine running, you need 2 specific tools: Make.com for the workflow and OpenAI Assistant for the intelligence. I've linked both in the description below. Grab them now and stop doing the manual grunt work. Now let's look at the actual ROI. By removing the human element from prospecting, we've cut lead acquisition costs by 70%. We're talking about a system that qualifies leads, handles objections, and books meetings while you sleep. This is exactly how you scale to $100K without the overhead of a full-time team. It's not about working harder. It's about building better systems. If you want to master AI automation and buy back your time, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's move to the final step: